So today, I'm gonna show you how to do this. We're gonna smoke this steelhead trout on the Recteq 1250 on a bed of oranges. And then we got a garlic lemon sauce to the top of it. Man, tell you what, you're gonna love this one. It's simple, easy, and delicious. So let's get to prepping so we get to cooking. Come on. All right, to make our lemon butter sauce, I got 4 tablespoons of Kerry Gold salted butter. Then I add in 1 clove of chopped garlic. So then I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, garlic. About that much. Now I got 1 lemon here. I'm gonna cut it in half and squeeze it in. Half of that one. Now, I'm gonna put this in the smoker. I'm gonna let it start melting down while we season up our fish. All right, so this is what we got. This is steelhead trout. We get this from Walmart. I'd say this is one of my favorite fish to cook I get from Walmart. We're smoking this on a Recteq 1250, about 350 degrees. It's got good flavor to it. We're getting ready to show you a good trick to it. I got a pizza rack right here. We use this in competition for our chicken, but I'm gonna use it today for our trout to go on the smoker. We got 2 oranges right here. I'm gonna cut them. I wanna cut them about a good 1/4 inch thick, give or take. I just wanna take them and lay them on here. So my fish is gonna sit just like this on top of these oranges. Just like that. I probably should add a little more. It'll work. So I got my steelhead trout on my pizza rack on top of my oranges. Looks pretty cool, don't it? So now I'm gonna put some Heath Riles garlic butter on top of it. We're pretty heavy with it. Just like that. Yeah, let's go put it on the smoker. Looks pretty cool, don't it? Let's go. So I'm cooking this steelhead trout down on my Recteq 1250 at 350 degrees. I'm gonna cook this right at 30 minutes. I'm using Lolliop charcoal pellets along with Recteq blended wood pellets. Get a good flavor from the heat and the smoke. About 25-minute mark, I'm gonna take my garlic lemon sauce and brush on top of it to keep this steelhead trout from drying out. Once I start seeing the white protein start pushing out of the fish, I know it's done. Some people say it's overcooked, but to me, that's a good telltale factor that we're right there on the edge. It's gonna be a good flaky and moist. Then we'll pull it inside and let it rest. Remember, the steelhead trout's got good carrier temperature about 3 or 4 degrees. So make sure you keep that in mind. We brought it inside. As you just seen, we put it on this bed of oranges on this cutting board. Now it's time to taste it. You ready? I know I'm ready. But first, there's more of this sauce we got and brush some more on. Got that big goodness right there, boys and girls. Right there's what we're talking about. So right here in the middle of it, slice it down to the skin. Piece right here. Pull it up. Let's taste it. Look at it falling apart. Cheers. Yo, this is absolutely delicious. So I'm telling you right now, you try it, you'll fall in love with it. But do me a favor, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. It really does help. How would you cook your salmon? What you think about this recipe? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. All that being stated, go outside, we'll say the blessing and eat supper. But first, let's see what Dolly and Lucy thinks. Come on, y'all. Dolly, Lucy. Dolly liked it and Lucy liked it. If they like it, I know you'll fall in love with it. Now say the blessing. Lord, bless food, back to receive. Just name and pray. Amen. This is delicious. See you next time.